Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves the idea of easy, on-the-go beauty with a touch of luxury, then you're in for a treat today. Let's talk about a product that combines convenience, color, and a silky smooth finish. The Tarte Maneater Silk Stick Blush. This blush is designed to give you that natural flush of color without the mess of powders or liquids, making it a great addition to any beauty routine. Whether you're a minimalist or a makeup lover, it's a buildable formula that promises a soft, natural finish, perfect for any occasion. Let's start with the basics. The Tarte Maneater Silk Stick Blush is a cream-to-powder blush in a convenient stick form. The pink shade is universally flattering, giving that radiant, healthy glow that works for a variety of skin tones. The formula is designed to be buildable, meaning you can apply a little for a subtle flush or layer it for more intense color. The finish is natural, not too dewy or matte, just that perfect in-between that gives you a healthy, lit-from-within glow. The best part? It's infused with skin-loving ingredients, so it's not just about the color. It's about treating your skin too. When I tested this product, I was impressed by how easily it glided onto my skin. The stick format made it so simple to apply, and I could blend it out with my fingers, which is perfect for those days when you don't want to fuss with brushes or sponges. The texture felt luxurious, almost like velvet, and it didn't settle into fine lines or feel heavy on the skin. In fact, it was light and breathable, with a soft finish that looked effortless. On days when I needed my makeup to last, I applied this blush before setting my face with powder, and it held up beautifully throughout the day. It didn't fade or patch, and even after hours of wear, it still had that fresh, just-applied look. Now let's talk about the pros. First, the Tarte Maneater Silk Stick Blush has that ease of application I love. No need for brushes, no mess. It's compact and travel-friendly, making it the perfect product to toss in your bag for touch-ups. The buildable coverage is another plus, allowing you to customize the intensity of the blush to suit your mood. And let's not forget the finish. Natural, dewy, and glowing, without being too sticky or shiny. However, while I absolutely love the formula, the only con here would be that it may not work well for those with very oily skin. Since it's a cream-to-powder formula, it could slide off a bit more easily on oilier skin types. That said, a good setting powder should keep it in place. But if you have trouble with cream blushes in general, this might not be your go-to. Is the price justified? It certainly feels like a luxury product with its silky texture and the ease of use it offers. But it is on the pricier side for a single blush stick. If you're someone who values simplicity and a natural, glowing finish, this could be worth the investment. If you're on a budget, you might want to look at other blushes that offer a similar finish at a lower price point. There are other blushes out there with a similar formula, like the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush or the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush, which are both great alternatives if you're looking for something with a bit more color range or a more affordable price tag. But if you're looking for something that's easy to use, offers a natural finish, and feels comfortable on the skin, the Tarte Maneater Silk Stick Blush might be the one for you. It's perfect for those who prefer a more natural look without sacrificing performance or convenience. To sum it up, this blush is a solid performer, offering a beautiful glow with the ease of stick application. It may be a bit of an investment, but for those who want a smooth, natural finish and a product that blends effortlessly into their routine, it's definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used the Tarte Maneater Silk Stick Blush, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.